Hello everybody. This video will serve as a training module for how to do roster management on Bobcat Connect. So you'll notice that we are on our Explore page, which is the first place that you are brought to after you log in to Bobcat Connect. And the first thing that we want to do is head up to the top left corner and click on our navigation menu. And from there we're going to head down to our My Organization section, and we are going to choose to view the roster of the organization in question. So for me, I'm going to choose my example organization, and I'm going to click the roster button in Organization Tools. And that'll bring me to a section that shows all of the students that are a part of my roster, and it'll give me some options here. So number one, I can actually manage the positions that are available in my organization. So if I wanted to, I could add other positions, like say maybe a recruitment officer or something like that, and then I would be able to talk about like what type they are and so forth. I can also edit what position a student holds. So instead of me being marked as president, I can select secretary and treasurer instead. And when I click save, you'll see that now I'm treasurer and secretary of my organization. And then in addition, you can also invite people, and so then you'll have to have their Ohio University email. And so I would, if I were to be inviting myself here, then I would put my email onto here. And if I were inviting another person, then I would put their email, and then I would just enter that, and it will check and see, and I can invite them as any kind of position that I have here, and I can just send the invitation. And that's a very easy way to invite people. You can also message all of the different members or some of the members of your organization right here using the messages section, and you would be able to message like certain groups or certain positions on that. You can also export your roster as a separate file and download it. And so I can visit my downloads page and I can retrieve my available files if I'm interested in finding my roster. And then in addition, I can view students who are pending approval into the organization. So you can see that I have sent an invitation to Josh, and I'm waiting on him to accept that, and then he will be moved to the current section of the organization. And the prospective members are people who have been who asked to join your organization, and so you'll be able to see all the members here who who are asking to be part of the organization, and you will be able to approve them or not. And then you also have terms and conditions over here, and so there would be you'd be able to like list the amount of time that a person's in a position or so forth. So there's a lot of different sections, and there's a lot of different ways that you can manage an organization's roster. Also, another really important thing is that you can change the primary contact for your organization. So if prospective students click the add to organization or request to be added to the organization button for your organization, they will show up in perspective, but also anybody, including them, who wanted to contact your organization would be able to contact this primary contact, because it'll be listed on your main information page for your organization on Bobcat Connect. And so therefore you might want to edit this, which it's very easy to do that. You can just click that pencil, and then you can put in the name of a current public member. Unfortunately, since I don't have any other members, then I can't select anybody but myself, but you would be able to search for them by name or by email. And so that is the basics of roster management. If you need additional help or you have any questions, then please contact the Campus Involvement Center. Our email is involvement@ohio.edu, and we also can give you some help if you come into our office. Our office hours daily are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.